Hello, Umut here. Welcome to another video. Today I'm working on my art journal. This is my Moleskine sketchbook, my favorite art journal to work in. And I'm opening a new page to start a new project. I am gluing two pages together in this journal. You don't have to, but I think it makes it more sturdy. I started to like it. Before I wasn't doing it, but in this one I am experimenting it, and I feel like it's making things easier. So I'm doing it anyway. As I said, you don't have to if you like the feel of it. The pages are quite good anyway, and they take paint and wet mediums quite good. I'm using one of the napkins that I used before. As you see, I'm not throwing them away after I use them because it's a large napkin. You can use it again. I'm just removing the backing, the white parts, so that I can glue it well. If you don't do it, it will be bubbly, not smooth. It won't stick well. I'm using my matte medium to glue the napkin to a part of it, so it becomes a part of my background, and I'm going to complete it as we go. These are beautiful pink flowers that I love, and you know, I have a napkin journal actually where I use exclusively napkins to create quick and easy pages, perfect for beginners and decoupage lovers. Check them out at the link down below. I have a playlist full of them. Now I'm going to complete the rest of the page. I'm using my Distress Oxide sprays. This is Speckled Egg and this is Faded Jeans. So I'm going to use it here and there to create a darker color. And here is Twisted Strawn. Maybe you will be surprised what is this doing here, but it gives a pop of color. And you will see in the end I will dial it down anyway. This is more Speckled Egg, and I'm using water now to activate the oxide and create this beautiful effect that they give. For the edges of the napkin, I think it's easier to use acrylic paints to really lose the edges and dissolve it into the rest of the page, because acrylic paints are opaque and they are heavier in texture than the sprays. As you see, it makes a difference, and how the napkin now really disappears into the background. You can use the sprays for the rest of it, but at the edges I just wanted to use this acrylic paint, and this is from Arteza. It's mixed media acrylic paint, which is more fluid than heavy body acrylic paint. Doesn't matter, use whatever you have. And I just wanted to create a pink and baby pink, baby blue page with a pop of little lime green there. And this is a flower scrapbook paper, not flower, butterfly scrapbook paper that I have in my stash. So I decided to cut a few to see how it fits into this page. You really don't have to have this paper. If you have butterfly stamps, use them and color them according to your wish. Or if you even if you don't have it, you can draw it. It's very easy shape, and color it as you wish. Again, you don't have to have everything in your stash, and I certainly don't have, but since I have this, I wanted to use it. So I'm going to select a couple of things and glue them on my page. As you see, I'm doing a color balance using my butterflies. I'm sticking the pink one on the corner of the blue page, and I'm going to use the opposite color to stick on the other side. Before that, I wanted to have some blue splashes on the pink side, which will give a certain cohesiveness to the page too. You can play with colors like that to create harmony on your art journals. This focal point, the girl making yoga, is from my lovely friend Elena Zinski design. It's a part of her Etsy shop designs. I'm going to give you the link as usual down below at the description area. In the same set there are other girls, other designs. There's always more than one. So check it out. Since lately I am getting more and more into yoga and doing it a couple of days, long hours in the week, I just felt attracted to this set of designs and wanted to create a page with yoga concept, because I think it's very peaceful and helps a lot with mental health and relaxing and forgetting things for the day. The sentiments that I am using are from also Elena's digital stamps, full of sentiments. It's a very useful one, versatile one. You can print them and use them again and again. You never run out. And she has lots of like quirky sentiments. So check them out too. The link again is down below at the description area. I selected 3 that goes with my page: tickled pink, sitting pretty, and feeling pink. I just cut them as I wish, and I painted them with pink ink with my finger dabber. And there is reflection too, because when you do yoga you kind of reflect, relax, let your body and mind relax, and I would really recommend everyone to try. I just did some white splashes too. They are not prominent because they dissolve in distress ink, but they are there. And I decided to use my stickles in pink to have some details on the hair of my girl, and also in the center of the flowers, and on my butterflies, and here in the heart. It's hard to stop when you have stickles in your hand. To make my sentiments more visible, I'm just going around them with a black pen, so that they have a nice frame around them too. These sort of details take your page from good to great. I think they are important, and they just make things pop. So I always try to pay attention to them. And with this I'll keep it simple and finish it here. I hope you enjoyed this video and the page. I really love it, and the pink and blue contrast next to each other, and the relaxing concept of it with the yoga making girl. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to leave me a comment, hit the like button, or subscribe to my channel. Also, check out my Instagram page for more pictures and sneak peeks of my projects. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.